With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, we have this question where we have to give reason why dilute sulfuric acid cannot be replaced by concentrated sulfuric acid in the preparation of hydrogen. So we know that metals like zinc react with dilute acid to give the salt of acid and metal plus hydrogen gas is liberated. So in case of dilute sulfuric acid, the reaction will be Zn plus H2SO4, that is dilute, thus giving us ZnSO4 plus H2 gas is liberated. But this dilute acid cannot be replaced by concentrated sulfuric acid. Now, what is the reason for that? The reason is that this concentrated sulfuric acid is a very strong oxidizing agent. It oxidizes the Zn, and itself gets reduced. Forming sulfur dioxide. So the reaction that is carried out, let me write the reaction, it will be more clear to you. The reaction is Zn plus 2H2SO4, that is concentrated, will give ZnSO4, this is oxidized, plus SO2 and 2H2O. Now you can see that Zn is oxidized to ZnSO4 because there is addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen means oxidation is taking place. And in case of SO2 that is formed in the product, you can see reduction is taking place. Firstly, there is removal of oxygen. We can see plus, let me make one more thing clear, that the oxidation state of sulfur over here is plus 6 and the oxidation state of sulfur over here is plus 4. So when there is decrease in oxidation state or oxidation number, that means reduction is taking place. So this concentrated H2SO4 oxidizes zinc and itself gets reduced, and therefore no hydrogen is formed. So if no hydrogen is formed, can it be used in the preparation of hydrogen? This is impossible. So let me show you how to calculate the oxidation state. We do not consider the stoichiometric coefficient like 2. So what we do, we take 2 into 1 for hydrogen, that is 2 atoms of hydrogen is present, into 1 because 1 is the charge of hydrogen, plus x for sulfur because that is what we have to calculate, plus 4 into minus 2 for oxygen because 4 atoms of oxygen is present, each carrying minus 2 charge, equals to 0. So this will be 2 plus x minus 8 equals to 0, x equals to plus 6. So this way you calculate the oxidation state of any atom or any element that is present in a molecule. So this is your complete answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.